The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's CAF Champions League weekend, CAF Confederations Cup weekend. Now, we've switched paper. So you got the CAF Confederations Cup. So we're going to talk about Kaizer Chiefs. They just won now against Al Masry, meaning that they're on top of their group. 10 points. Balandelwake is Zamalek with 8 points, right? Let me confirm.
Yes, it's Zamalek with 8 points. True, you are right.
I'm right.
They just lost 1-0 now.
Wow.
Yes, against Isesco.
Yes, Kaizer Chiefs on 10 points. Zamalek, second place, 8 points. Al Masry, third place, 7. Then Isesco must have because they're not going anywhere. Junior.
They honor fixtures. Next week, boy, honor fixtures in Al Masry.
They cause, but if besetanga ngendlela singatsho sithi bakhoze upset namhlanje because abantu abaninzi they expected Zamalek to walk over Isesco because they've been getting a beating from everyone. Now next week, don't be surprised if they cause yet another upset next week. But umdlalo esithatha ngawo namhlanje ngulo Kaizer Chiefs ePeter Mokaba Stadium against Al Masry. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Al Masry 1. Junior Madukubulisa mfethu njani?
Shane Maprada kunjani?
I'm okay.
TJK Shine Sundowns ingweni. Ngibulisa uNkululeko Maprada. Ngibulisa umntana kaChristu Machaka. Benedict Sovilakazi. Ngibulisa uBobzini. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting one, try to fix South African football.
Junior, ubona njani umdlalo namhlanje weKaizer Chiefs?
Yeah, Shane, very tactical game. I have to be honest. Tactical game. I think our coaches bekudlala wona today. I think both coaches they were cautious. Very difficult game. Sikhulume ngale ngwenya lezi Al Masry. They came here. Bona bezela to get the win. How they approach the game. They press Kaizer Chiefs. They go 1v1 from up front. Obviously, there will be extra men because it's going to be difficult to go 1v1. Goalkeeper Magabambi Polo Kaizer Chiefs. They press him. It means we have funny early goal. A very quality side, in fact, and they've got special players, and also a special player, Leo number 30. Yeah. The one who's playing on the right or the left, a very special player. I think everybody pays for Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs find it very difficult, especially Amateka Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs coming to this game, but back for, which is not much. It's only Solomon that was training. Modi, he became a wing back today because a double right back coach. I think he was happy by doing that. You understand? Because Modi being a cutter in this number 30 player. I think this boy Eden McCarthy becomes a freewayman. Lamchita very dangerous, very special player. Ngihlale ngisho the best way to defend is to attack. Lamchita lo side like belingos kakhulu. You understand? He cheats every time he got the ball decision making. He take you. That's why I'm on jail. I mean, he played Master Rip 1v1. Over a problem because you need to take care of him. Now you forget who you are. Usually says Kaizer Chiefs are taking a moving back, but so Eden McCarthy say good side. I think Fatima Bain's analysis here, but they told Eden McCarthy has someone to up and down. It's more of a left center back that boy. So but just go there and pick him up. But I think a struggle umfana nange 1v1 ngimonile. Actually ngwenye bemguqula le bemlanda mfethu and a very dangerous player. Urave, I think njoba ngisho first half this lengwenya lezi best value pays for Kaizer Chiefs. They go 1v1. Make it very difficult. Kaizer Chiefs beba happy ukudlala ngeback four emile ulo mfo Solomon bekahamba abuya very quick. I think not much of Uliyepo angimbonanga mina game namhla Uliyepo akusumchita Uliyepo yabona iteam ngaba ikunika space Uliyepo they can't play him Modi Tutuzi Shabalala. I don't think they can make space for themselves. Akusama player runner akwazi ukudlala off the ball. Let me put it that way. Because the game yanamhlanje ifuna abantu who are so comfortable on the ball who can play off the ball. Yabo abane confident as well. So amatheko Kaizer Chiefs I'm going to talk about them too. Ngikhulume ngayo Uliyepo, ngikhulume ngayo Modi. Also Silva. I've never seen much of them. You understand? Yes, one of my chances that they got,
Yeah.
because then when you lose the ball, go very dangerous position last central.
It's also in the second half, eh?
Yes, no, ngikhuluma nga first half. Khona elinye balitholile uSilva around the goalkeeper and then Oshai side
Oh,
net.
yeah.
Why
Oh, that was a great pass from Maboe.
Yes,
Yeah,
you understand.
yeah.
So Mabuye, I think igame namhla uhamingile. You understand? He can't be a defensive midfielder, also become an attacker. You understand? Amela valele ya hole yana. Always this guy mela protect the back four. And also wing back mayambili uye kumela check. So I think lengwenya lezi they are very comfortable, technically very good. Special players, 3-4 players, they understand one another. They know how to play this tournament. Mamache, they never panic. They play as if they're playing at home. Mina the way badlala ngakhona bengathi badlala home. Izoba difficult last game kulengwenya lezi. A very difficult. Yabona lengwenya lezi. They play like pyramids. It's almost the same. Tactically very disciplined. The coach, they've got a special coach. Ngibone le chinja lengwenya le ipolelas because how even nama changes wayo. I think they make it very difficult for Kaizer Chiefs nokuvala le base and to play to get the goal playing away. Kaizer Chiefs babe nama moment. Yes, I will say Leonardo Pola la Silva. Njoba ngisho mini game Kaizer Chiefs baba abantu abakubamba kuma mistakes wa confident. They press
The goal.
Our referee. Njoba ngisho yabona igame namhlanje decide ureferee. Cause izandla zina. Ipola lishala ureferee alikhoma. Okay sharp. Omunye ureferee ebeke omunye akayibeke.
Yeah.
But truth is izandla zilapha kumele enze. It's the same thing there during the week izandla umuntu abo referee man bayilimaza man because they want to change the dimension of the game. Now these guys they were press pushing. Yona le number 8 across liza phansi. Khabipola Msimang. Just kick the ball. Uyelana phansi. Cause ibhola lila emadolweni uyelana phansi. Just kick the ball phumele ngaphandle. Leo number 30 weza in front of him, good finish. Lao goalkeeper, I think far post, it was well done. Another stuff, Lengwenya Kaizer Chiefs, I think there was a cross. Ipola Shai Sandla, if not mistaken, it's Kwinika or Msimang between the two of them. There was a penalty because the same is Zandla Bezla, but Ipola Shai Sandla.
It was not given.
It was not given. That's why I'm going to ask with you. Because if you can be honest, Urev was a decision maker in today's games. Especially, I'll be honest, it's supposed to be, maybe Marenigi Chiefs their penalty. It's supposed to be a draw 2-2. You understand? So big game very interesting because 7.5 years Chiefs had chances about 1 or 2. Okubamba ngecounter, Pule Modi.
I think they should have scored 3 or 4 namhlanje Kaizer Chiefs.
Two. Yes, I would say two.
Yeah. Mtu should have scored also.
Yes, Mtu, yes. Because there was a counter, 3v2. I think Modi good decision. But Mtu, goalkeeper I think was safe lapha. But Mtu lapha yana. Bekumele chip nje the ball, goalkeeper was already down. Just chip the ball and then give a corner and go celebrate. But if I can be honest, badlale ngama moment. You go bathola ama chance. Ngase leso sikhathi mhlawumbe after 10 minutes or so. So they never played like a team that is playing home. Yeah, but banga understandani. A very difficult game, banga baniki pace. Joba ngisho they can't play off the ball. Abakwazi ukuzenzela space. If you go 1v1 and then ubaniki problem, they can't. Umabuye bombona Foster, but now you almost make it plan. Khona la lose bola. Well done to Wenya because another guy, lengwenya the striker, he fall uye wawa lapha. Umabuye wa lose bola to 10. I think first 20 minutes after Chiefs scoring. So second half, it game. I think Chiefs Yobushi told them a chance more about 2. Which is like finish but they never azange by dominating the game. This game was very difficult for them. Urev was different. I will be honest to you, Shane. Reverie was different for Kaizer Chiefs.
Now, Junior, Kaizer Chiefs, they are not in a situation where they will need favors from anyone or someone else out there. But number one, but at 10 points, easy doses they just need to go to Egypt. And beat Zamalek. Do you see that happening?
Phela lezi Zamalek lezi.
Okay, Junior, madibuko hlobo. Xa kudlala ikota kakusenzwa i-draw ye-quarter finals after next week. Igama le-Kaizer Chiefs labeli club.
Wenza kahle ibuze Shane leyo question. For me it's going to be difficult. Kaizer Chiefs will go there for a draw. It's going to be difficult. They're going to be a draw. Zamalek they're going to win at home. It's going to be difficult. And it says Kongyas Gucci Chiefs they got extra 2 goals. Goal advantage. It says Kangeki Buya Almaz relay. Egypt because namele Egypt.
Yeah.
It's going to be difficult.
Wow.
It's Zesco, ngiyakuphendula Zesco, Zamalek they're going to kumalo.
I mean, you mean Al Masry?
Al Masry, yes.
Yeah.
They are going to
Quarterfinals.
Yes. It's going to be difficult. Angithi Zesco must score 2 goals.
Yes.
And Kaizer Chiefs, they have to play bona bayilitroda. Because I don't think, I mean, in today's games, I don't think I was convinced. Well done. The referee was different. Well done, specialists under they won. Different. Ukuthi lengwenya besine right ukuthi zilwe. But nazo ngiphinde ngisho nazo sinokubabamba abantu ngomlenze. And now Kaizer Chiefs they are going to play against the referee.
Junior, it's very difficult to tell North Africans because we know them.
Yeah, no, nami
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
But if angithi sikhuluma based on into esibonile
Sure.
But truly speaking is even nabo when they are at home, njoba ngisho nama iChiefs job away. Exabanzima. I'm talking about the treatment and Zesco yona have got nothing to lose.
Yeah.
So awuzibuze nje Zesco going to this almost a very good side zimnandi lezi.
Yeah.
Sheni ngomningi a very good side. Egyptian football compliment ngikhuluma nge-national team nje yabo yabo Zamalek the way they are playing Egypt le ngayibona mina boma 90s 98 and stuff ukushare ball technically Egypt they play like European style style sub is like Europe very technically good they understand one another they had to play this long ball it's a side engar like ma crosses and they've got 2 or 3 special players well done to them but it chiefs out to challenges andla mfethu mina I'll be honest to you I never thought they'll beat these guys made an effect well done ukuthi ba beat these guys but to referee I'm not too sure la khona I'm sure makathi makabukela this replay this rematch kuyoba unama answer kumele awaphendule.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. Umdlalo ke we-CAF Confederations Cup Kaizer Chiefs lapho ke sibethe ke Al Masry ngo-2-1. Chiefs ba top ke ngokuphakela group yabo 10 points balandela iZamalek na 8. Then there's also Al Masry group enzima but into enithetha ngale group is that all 3 phaka top 3 they have an opportunity to be in the quarterfinals the CAF Confederations Cup whether it be Chiefs, Zamalek or Al Masry. Next week uzasinike answer. Namhlanje is Kaizer Chiefs 2, Al Masry 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.